Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about fluoroquinolones. They are antimicrobial drug. It is a non-antibiotic and they are synthetic drug. They contain fluorine atom and quinoline ring. These are antimicrobial drug and it is not an antibiotic. These are synthetic drug and they contain fluorine atom and quinoline ring. So these are known as fluoroquinolone because it contains fluorine and quinoline ring. Classification. It is classified in first generation and second generation. In first generation, the drugs are ciprofloxacin, orfloxacin, norfloxacin. In second generation, lomifloxacin, levofloxacin, gatifloxacin. Action. Effective mostly against gram-negative bacteria. This fluoroquinolone are effective against gram-negative bacteria and some are against gram-positive also. So this drug is bactericidal drug. Mechanism of action. DNA gyrase. The enzyme is necessary for DNA replication and transcription. This enzyme is present in gram-negative bacteria and fluoroquinolones and prevent the action of enzyme and thus prevent the DNA replication and transcription. This DNA gyrase are necessary for DNA replication and transcription, and this enzyme is present in gram-negative bacteria and fluoroquinolones and prevent the action of enzyme and thus it prevent the DNA replication. This enzyme is responsible for DNA replication. When this enzyme is inhibited, this prevent the action of DNA replication. In gram-positive bacteria, instead of DNA gyrase, topoisomerase 4 is present. The fluoroquinolones present the action of this enzyme. This FQS is present in the action of this enzyme. Therapeutic uses. These drugs are used for typhoid fever patient, urinary tract infection, diarrhea, renal tract infection, respiratory tract infection, septicemia, plague, cholera, tuberculosis, soft tissue and bone infection. Dose. In which dose they are given. Ciprofloxacin 500 mg BD for 5 days. For typhoid fever it is given 10 days. Normally it is given 5 days. For typhoid fever it is given 10 days. Afloxacin is 400 mg BD and norfloxacin is 400 mg BD. These are given 5 days, 5 or 10 days. Available of these drugs are available in the form of injection, ointment, powder. Adverse effect of these drugs are damage to bone cartilage, inflammation of tendon, pain in the tendon rupture may occur. I have made a chart in which the drugs are sensitive to whether gram-positive or gram-negative or others. This chart is most important one. I have made it simple. In this drug penicillin G is given to some of the gram-positive bacteria and these are very effective against the gram-positive bacteria. So this spectrum is narrow spectrum. It is not positive. It is not effective against gram-negative and others like virus and fungi infection. So these are narrow spectrum bacteria. Amoxicillin. These are more effective against gram-positive as well as gram-negative bacteria. So these are known as extended spectrum. The cephalosporin is effective against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. So it is also known as it is an extended spectrum. Aminoglycoside, which is effective against gram-negative. So it is a narrow spectrum bacteria. and it has action of bactericidal action, tetracycline and chlorophenicol. These are effective against gram-positive, gram-negative and others like virus and mycology, as I said. So these are known as broad spectrum because it is effective against the three. Erythromycin. These are effective against gram-positive bacteria and not effective against gram-negative and others. Fluoroquinolones, which are more effective against gram-positive and more effective against gram-negative. So I have put the double tick, and it is not effective against other infections and it is extended spectrum. Metronidazole is effective against gram-positive and gram-negative. It has an action of bactericidal and it is an extended spectrum. Combination of antimicrobial drug. The two bacteriostatic drug can be given. They produce synergistic action. When the two bactericidal drug can be given, like penicillin G and gentamicin, one bacteriostatic drug and one bactericidal drug should not be used. They produce antagonist action like penicillin and tetracycline. Purpose of combination of drug. While we want to combine like bacteriostatic plus bacteriostatic drug or bacteriostatic and bactericidal drug. This combination, bacteriostatic and bactericidal combination, should not be given because it gives an antagonistic action. For example, penicillin and tetracycline. The purpose of the combination of the drugs are to prevent bactericidal resistance. In TB, 4 drugs are used: pyrazinamide, ethambutol, INH, rifampicin. To treat the mixed infection, genitourinary, orodental and brain abscess. To get synergistic effect, bacterial endocarditis, Penicillium, streptomycin and or gentamicin. To reduce the adverse effects. Antibiotics used in 2 ways are empiric therapy. Before identifying the microorganism, whether it is an extended spectrum or broad spectrum, a general antibiotic is used. A broad spectrum antibiotic is used because it may be gram-positive or gram-negative bacteria. Without identifying the particular bacteria, a drug is given. This therapy is known as empiric therapy. Definite therapy. After identification, whether it is a gram-positive or negative, a specific drug is given. So it is known as definite therapy. Thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.